What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. All right, guys, we got a nice little Cuda over here up for sale today. Here's the number. This is 66 real Formula S, 4-speed car. Looking for $17,900 on it.
How much?
$17,900.
Actually, doesn't seem too bad.
Commando 273.
With a small block.
To reverse that decision, you might reconsider.
It's got the 340 heads on it.
But the longer they stick with it, the less likely you're going to be to ever come back. Well,
Alright, we'll get out of your way.
Sorry. I got a guy that wants one of these. But guys, yeah, if here's the phone number. It's not a crazy price, but it's not a very desirable year for a Cuda.
Yeah, this sold for $6,800.
All right, guys, take a look at this 1965 Plymouth Belvedere. Guy's asking $38,000 for it. Looks like it's got dual carbs on it. If anybody's interested, I'll get you the number. You can give them a call, 804-400-1703. It was $42,500 and now it's $38K. Then we'll go over the 71 Challenger. Archie, it looks like.
Is it worth it?
Automatic. 340 numbers matching. He's won $59,000. His name is Ed. Beautiful color. 344 barrel. Move over to this old school truck. It's a 1965 Dodge Power Wagon. The phone number's there. He's asking $16,000 on it.
Doing? How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, thanks.
Body's pretty straight on it.
Which is Power Wagon.
I'm gonna go over here.
We got a 1960 Plymouth Fury. He wants $67,000 for it. Car shows very, very well. '70 Duster Barn Find. 3-speed manual on the floor. He's asking $18,500. This is a true barn find.
Even some of the steel, if it's really thick, just so you don't have to sit there so long trying to get it.
See a cool car to store. Or just leave it the way it is. Okay, we got a 70 GTX here. It's like a solid car. This one says make offer on it. That's the number. Non-matching numbers.
I gotta be a Ford guy.
Head over here. Take a look at this Charger. Charger is sold. Do not touch. Look like I got a little demon over here. 340 California car. Here's 71.
Up, marked down. For 48K.
42.5.
Traded them.
42.5. That seems high to me. Real high. But if you want to buy one, here it is.
This t-shirt underneath is Wickware, and the one on top is this.
Alright guys, we got 70 Plymouth Superbird, 2-owner car with 35,000 original miles, 1 repaint. He's asking 325 grand. Saying it's clean. Holy. Yeah. Oh, yeah. This is getting a lot of publicity.
It must be V1. No, V19 is flying roof.
It's like a 440 Super Commando.
999 must be the power pack.
Okay, we got a little Dodge Adventure 150 here. Looks like it's a New Hampshire truck. Excuse me. He's asking $5,500 on it.
Yeah.
It's not a bad price at all, I don't think.
Oh yeah.
55 on this, Chris.
How much?
5,500.
Yeah, there's a lot of good. You're looking at it. How's it run?
How much for?
You're telling me, you're talking about it.
It's our own language. I can speak our language.
Alright, so, alright guys, so take a look at this Dodge Adventure 150. It's 55 on it. Not a bad price at all. This one's got me intrigued.
Yeah.
Call the number, Chris.
I think you heard it, doesn't it?
85.
Right. Where's the number at?
67 Dodge Dart convertible. 11.5. There's your contact information. Looks like the car's ready. So we got new floors in it. It's 225. Inline 6. 11.5. We got this Scamp clean. I like the color. Beige on beige. Got 340 in it, which is one of my favorite engines for Mopar. He's asking 30K on it to 73. It looks like it's got a 408, probably 340 heads. But a little pricey. I like it. Solid looking car. This shows you're not going to get great deals here, but you will get a nice keeper, something you want to throw in the garage that's going to appreciate. Prices are not astronomical like they were a few years ago, but they're not way down. They're kind of in that in-between where you can get a nice deal on a, you know, not a good deal. You get a nice car, but you're going to pay up for it. But I like this car. It looks good.
Check this out, 1970 Barracuda. It's got a 318 4-speed. Got the tag gauges. Pistol grip.
Convertible.
For sale. Not too bad.
It's a convertible, and it's got the build sheet on it. Look at this build sheet.
Does it?
The build sheet here, convertible.
Here's your number if you want to call.
Look at this New Yorker over here. So we got a New Yorker, pretty solid buy. It's like a 54, 1954, 20K. There's a contact information. But look at under the hood. Under the hood's really nice.
Oh yeah. It's a nice looking car. I think it would have been cool to own this back in the 50s in New York.
For sure.
You know what I'm saying?
Look at this truck, $3,500.
Yeah. I like it.
Yeah, Stan's Automotive. Yeah.
318 runs and drives straight.
You come down that road.
Really?
There's a little house right here.
How's the rester, right?
Yeah, look at it for off the wheel wells.
That's normal. We have an 89 and it's got the same thing.
You know the Windsor Road.
I got the patch panels to do it.
Is your car?
No.
This is the
No, but I wouldn't mind having the doors and the body and
Yes.
I mean, yeah, it's pretty solid, it seems.
fenders. The frame is not.
Oh, the frame's not?
No.
The frame's no good, but it's cheap.
Well, that's it.
Yeah.
And ours is 4-wheel drive.
We got the 68,
Well, that's it.
34.5.
I take the 318.
What is this? I don't even know what this is. What kind of car is this?
A value or dark.
A dark, 68 dark, 440. Excuse me, sorry. Can we go to that car?
Hmm?
Can we do that car? This one. Hey, these two, get these two, this truck and that.
I don't know what to do.
'67 Imperial. 18.5. It's a good looking car.
Yeah. I like that price too.
No?
I don't think it is.
What was it, 79 Dodge?
Short bed truck.
4-wheel drive.
625.
No, it's not. We'll accept partial trade, dual tanks.
I like
Short bed?
it's actually a value.
Yeah, just the grill is busy.
I like this.
Hold it. Okay. 69 Cornet, 42.5. It's got a 440. There's your contact information. Beautiful color. I like the color a lot. Green on green.
It sounds like a green.
Yeah. Looks fairly clean. I think it's a little high on the price. These were bringing a lot of money, and they've slowed down a lot. Especially it not being a 4-speed car, it's an automatic. I think so far this has been a really good deal, this truck.